सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 Hello everybody, how are you? And like I
All are
always say,
fine.
all are fine, hopefully.
All are fine.
Yeah, so yesterday I got my first vaccine shot. Ta-da-da-da-da.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, so I happened to be awake very early in the morning yesterday for meditation and kriya and all that. And so even after I was done, it was very early in the morning and it was already the 1st of March. So I was among the first people to log in. So fat se mil gaya appointment at a nearby hospital, all the registration. Of course, I had to find a lot of things on my own because the site and the navigation was not at all clear. But I found it, got the thing, got the appointment. So both my sisters, my brother-in-law, Harsha, everyone, all 5 of us.
We have to
got our
register
first.
on that website.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we registered on the website, scheduled the appointment also on the website itself,
Okay.
and then went. It took a little bit of time, but it was okay. And
So, is it any effect? Means paying a fever?
little bit.
anything?
I didn't go for tennis yesterday and today, not because I couldn't, but everyone said no, you have to rest, so
Okay, no.
I just said okay. But Harsha had a few symptoms. She had a little temperature last night, and a body ache and all classic flu symptoms all through the night, but then now she's okay. She wanted to take some paracetamol or something. I said, as long as 99, it's not that much. It's not worth. I would rather prefer that. Let the body do its reaction and build up the immunity by having the little fever and whatever it needs to get into action, rather than push it down with a paracetamol. So she's fine. Everyone else is fine. And
Good luck.
yeah, thank you.
Good
So
luck.
yeah, any one of you who are over 60, Pratibha Ben, of course. And
Yeah, but
you have
now I have applied, but not yet my number.
not got the appointment. Yeah.
No, but Samir has asked. Samir says by March end it will be.
Right. Yeah. So good. So, but just how much care we want to take care of our body and all that. Yesterday, while I was waiting for the vaccination, I was just, and it's in the last few days, in fact, I've been just marveling at the human body. at this physical self that is there, this magical. And I found some such interesting data about the human body. It's just mind-boggling, what it does and how it does and all the things that it's doing. The body is just incredible. So one of the things I wanted to share is how in the first step of this understanding of I am not my thoughts, I am not my body, I am not these beliefs, I am not the knowledge, I am not my thoughts, and I'm not my no, my opinions or my all that. I'm not that. I'm not that. We do that, but we don't want to, in that process, somehow create the idea that this this separate self, imaginary हो या सपने वाला self है या जो भी है, is something to not be loved. It is still something that we love. We love our, this body, this separate physical self has gone through a lot in life. It has suffered a lot of pain, it has suffered a lot of sorrow, it has suffered lots of ups and downs in its journey towards itself. So in our enthusiasm to understand the ultimate reality of oneness, we don't want to forget this physical self. It's not about shunning this separate self, this separate body. It is sacred, it is powerful, it is beautiful. Yes, ultimately it is made of oneness. So the only thing that we have to sort of remember is that this body, this mind body phenomenon, the only correction we have to make is the thought that it is a separate independent entity. That is the only correction. Not that we have to either push it away or shun it or think it is something less than divine, or something that we want to somehow stay away from. ऐसा नहीं है. So loving ourselves deeply is included in this understanding of the whole structure of, to the extent that we can, of reality. It's magical. It's a magical instrument. One of the numbers I read is the speed with which blood is flowing through our system. So from the top of the shoulder to the fingertip, okay, this whole length, blood is flowing, right? So how long do you think it takes to go from here to here? Let's say you have a particular cell in the blood is flowing. It's going from the arm, elbow, and going up forearm and then to the fingers. कितना टाइम लगता होगा खून को वहां यहाँ से यहाँ पहुंचने में? पुरुषोत्तम जी में know already, but for others who are not into, have not studied physiology or anatomy in that much detail, take a guess. यहाँ से यहाँ फ्लो होता है ना ब्लड, यहाँ से यहाँ सब फ्लो हो रहा है. कितना टाइम लगता होगा यहाँ से यहाँ पहुंचने में?
4 to 5 minutes maybe.
5 minutes, okay. Any other guesses? 5 minutes is one guess. Guess करो ना कौन सा right wrong है इधर. कुछ भी guess करो जो आपको लगता है. यहाँ से जा रहा है, कितना टाइम लगेगा यहाँ से यहाँ? चलो everybody
few
take a
yeah
few seconds, okay. 5 minutes, few
yes.
seconds, okay. What else?
5 minutes.
Seconds. क्या राजेश भाई?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, another 5-minute wala. Okay.
I think
Sonal ji
nearly
said
1 minute. 1 minute.
1 minute. Okay. Okay. So it is less than 1 second. Less than a second. Brum.
Yeah.
Just imagine from here to here, less than 1 second.
Less than a second.
In 1.5 seconds, it finishes a round trip. Yahan se yahan. Like just imagine you count 1,000. Utne mein yahan se yahan pahunch gaya. 1,000. That is about 1 second. When you say 1,000, that's about 1 second. In less time than that, goes from here to here. तो कितना स्पीड में चल रहा है अंदर सब. It's unbelievable speeds. So we will have one session on the Discovery Cafe on the human body one of these Saturdays. So all these numbers we will talk about, the speed of thought, the speed of एक प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल कॉम्प्लेक्स मॉलिक्यूल बनाने को एक the complex protein molecules which the cell produces protein and all that, it makes the entire molecule, which is a long chain protein molecule, the cell makes it in less than 10 seconds. 10 seconds, एक protein, dart, and day in and day out it is making proteins. So it's just unbelievable, this magic, miraculous, beautiful body. Everything that it supports us in doing. And so we can just develop some understanding and for this entity called the separate I, the small I, जो हम small I करके बुलाते हैं, संजीव है या राजेश है या सभी जो हम हैं, उसके तरफ भी हम एक नजर आज डालते हैं. Because normally we are always looking the other way. We are looking that this separate self which is imaginary actually. तो हाँ, ये सच है कि ये सपना है और ये सपने में ये सपना, ये किरदार चल रहा है. The divine playing this role called Sanjeev through me, and there is no actually any Sanjeev. There is only divine. But what about this role? What about this kirdar? What about this particular, ये एक जो character है? Let us develop some understanding of this character also. So we'll just close your eyes. And और आपका ध्यान अपने आप के ऊपर. Just place your attention on yourself. Today we will turn on the floodlight on this entity. This, yes, ultimately imaginary, ultimately fictitious, ultimately a dream called Sanjeev. But yet, let us take a look at this character. Remember how, since the moment of your birth, this entity has been your constant companion. This body has been breathing for you without stop for a short time. This body has been breathing in and out from the moment of birth till this present moment, without a break, without a pause, without a vacation, without a holiday, not even for a little time. Continuously breathing to support you and your experiences. Place your attention on your heart, which has been beating non-stop, non-stop. Again, no vacation, no holiday, not even a small break. Without a break, continuously beating, taking the blood, pure blood from the lungs and pumping it out to everywhere in the body at such high speed, at high velocity, with so much power. In fact, this heart has been beating even before you were born. Even before your birth, the heart has started this movement for you. Place your attention on all the organs of the body that have again tirelessly and non-stop have been serving you. Working while your mind and brain took rest, working even harder when you were not resting, working even more harder when you're exercising or moving fast, and even in deep sleep, continuing to work. Tirelessly, बिना किसी झिझक, बिना कभी छुट्टी लिए, without any complaint, continuously serving you, serving you, serving you, and this experience called life. All your sense organs, whenever you needed them, they have been present for you to see, for you to hear, for you to touch, for you to taste, for you to smell, for you to walk. There are actually 10 indriyas, not just the 5 senses that we normally talk about. कर्मेंद्रिया भी है, जो the hands, the legs, digestion, and so on, other than the sense organs. They are also your part of the indriyas. So they have also been present and available for you to create this experience called life. Magical, magical, magical. Magical organs. The inner ear with all its intricate bones which transmit sound to the auditory nerve and help us with balance and so on, and so many, so many, so many things. The eyes, another magic. Now place your attention on the most miraculous, marvelous organ of them all, which is the human brain. 85 billion neurons. Billion means 10 million. 1,000 million. So 85,000 million, or you can say 8,500 crore. 8,500 crore neurons, cells in the human brain. Each one connected with synapses to other cells, to other neurons. Each cell has multiple connections to form a total of 150 trillion connections. 150 million, more zeros than we can count. Utna connections with each other, itna connections, with small millivolt, microvolt currents flowing through between them to create sensation, to create this experience of life, to create this experience of thinking, to process everything, acting as the mediator between this magical creation called the world and you, who is the experiencer of all experiences. Miraculous, marvelous entity which has helped in all the experiences of life, whether we were awake, whether we were asleep, whether we were in dream, whether we were deep sleep or meditation or music, movement, logic, reasoning, all this simply happening like magic in this beautiful, miraculous, most complex entity that we know in the physical world as of today, which is the human brain. And now put your attention on all the thoughts, all the hundreds and thousands of thoughts you have had in your life, which has helped in creating this experience of life itself. Just allow yourself to take a journey into your own life that you have lived up to. अपने आप जाइए, अलग अलग अनुभवों को आप देख सकते हैं, as if you are watching a movie. and see this character called your name, who has been going through so many things in life, struggling in the beginning to walk, struggling to even turn your head, struggling to turn over on your belly, and somehow winning that battle, and then struggling to walk, struggling to find the mother, the father, struggling to run, struggling to learn, and having learned to touch, to feel, to smile, to see, to speak, to hear, and all the things that have happened in your life, in your childhood, many, many wonderful moments of joy, of play. This role has played these parts so well. Struggling and going through school, exams, studying till late sometimes, sometimes not studying, sometimes having much fun with lots of friends, and sometimes having trouble with some of them. So I'm just going to give you a few minutes to just take a random walk through your life, watching this character called you, going through all the ups and downs that you must have faced in your life. Feel each of the ups, feel each of the downs. अपने आप की जिंदगी को देखिए एक मूवी की तरह, बचपन से आज तक जो भी चढ़ाव उतार आए हैं लाइफ में, कुछ अच्छे काम किए, कुछ उतने अच्छे नहीं किए, कभी आंसू आए, कुछ कभी हंसी आई, कभी नाचे, कभी गाए, कभी हंसे, कभी रोए. इस किरदार जो आप कर रहे हैं, इस किरदार को देख के आपके मन में क्या होता है वो देखिए. क्या इस किरदार की मनुष्यता पर आपको क्या अनुभव होता है? जो भी किया इसने, इस किरदार ने, उसकी मनुष्यता, उसकी ह्यूमैनिटी को देखिए. और वो किरदार को देख के आपको कैसा लगता है? कहते हैं कि इस शरीर के आखिरी पलों में ये पूरी लाइफ फ्लैश होती है मन के सामने। आप दोबारा ये देखते हैं चलचित्र। तो हम ये मौका आज ही ले रहे हैं, उस पल का इंतजार ना करते हुए। कहते हैं कि उस पल में ये जो फ्लैश होता है, लाइफ फ्लैशिंग बिफोर योर आईज, योर लाइफ फ्लैशेस बिफोर योर आईज इन दोज लास्ट मोमेंट्स, so that you can learn and so that you can love and so that you can wish a loving goodbye to that role, to that entity. उस किरदार को आप प्यार से सलाम नमस्ते करते हुए उसको विदा करें। तो हम उस पल का इंतजार नहीं करते हुए अभी देख लेते हैं। How much you have loved, how much you have worked, and struggled with relationships, with health, with wealth. ये सारे संघर्ष इस किरदार ने लड़े हैं आपके लिए। And also how much you have celebrated. And this kirdar has been there for you to celebrate also. And so many mistakes, have we not? So many things correct and so many mistakes. But all human mistakes, all human. क्योंकि ये किरदार ह्यूमन है, मनुष्य है। ये जानते हुए जो भी गलतियां थी, उसके लिए हम इस किरदार को माफ कर सकते हैं क्या? किया उस पल में सही लगा था हमें। Given our circumstance, our thought, our level of knowledge, this human role has only done what this role thought was the right thing to do in that moment. What do you feel about this human this body, this mind, this brain, this experience, the sum total of which is called your life. The ups and the downs, सबको देखिए. Okay, wonderful. Slowly, can open your eyes, or I should say, open your beautiful eyes and re-enter this movie called your life. Re-enter the screen, re-enter the theater, and we continue the play.
What a great journey.
Yeah, correct. So, क्या क्या अनुभव हुआ, क्या क्या समझ में आया, क्या लगा?
बोलो, क्या ना क्या?
Yeah, please.
ह्यूमन बॉडी के बारे में मुझे लगता था ज्ञान बहुत है, हर चीज पता है, लेकिन जो देखने का नजरिया था,
राइट,
वो आज रियलाइज हुआ कि सचमुच ये हर चीज मतलब कितने फाइनेस्ट तरीके से और कितना सिंक्रोनाइज तरीके से काम करती है, और इतना मिरेकलसली वर्क, और कहीं कुछ पता नहीं है, किसी को कुछ कहीं कुछ भी पता नहीं है, और सब अपने आप हो रहा है. करेक्ट. हर सिस्टम के बारे में जो आप बता रहे, ब्रेन के बारे में बता रहे, इतने सारे सेल्स, इतने सारे उसके डेंड्राइट्स और इतने सिनेप्सेस और ये सब, और वो इतने से 1.5 किलो के दिमाग में इतनी सी जगह में इतनी सारी क्रियाएं हो रही है, और इतने
क्या हो रहा
है,
बाप रे. या
हर चीज को देखने की वजह से बॉडी के लिए एक तो सेंस ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड, एक रिस्पेक्ट बढ़ गया है, और
एग्जैक्टली
तो और इतना सब कुछ बॉडी दे रही है, हर प्लेजर दे रही है, उसके लिए प्रेम भाव भी इतना बड़ा है. सेल्फ लव जो है, बहुत बार सुना है, मैंने ग्रेटिट्यूड सुना है, सेल्फ लव सुना है, लेकिन आज उसकी इंटेंसिटी जो थी ना, कि मैं बयान नहीं कर सकता. वो लिटरली क्या ग्रेटिट्यूड हो सकता है बॉडी के लिए, या प्रेम क्या हो सकता है, जो मतलब हर चीज एक मिरेकल मेरे अंदर चल रहा है, मैं मिरेकल जी रहा हूँ, लेकिन मुझे पता नहीं है,
पता ही नहीं है.
मैं मिरेकल जी रहा हूँ, एक एक क्षण में, एक एक पल में मिरेकल जी रहा हूँ.
आई एम अ लिविंग मिरेकल. हाँ,
यस. और पूरा जहाँ पूरा लाइफ का जर्नी, जन्म से लेके जितना मेमोरी पीछे जा रही थी, स्कूलिंग से लेके कॉलेज, और बाद में आगे आगे शादी होने के बाद बच्चे हो रहे, सब हो रहे, तो हर चीज ने, ये बॉडी ने मुझे हर बार साथ दिया, दुख में, सुख में, अच्छी जगह, बुरी जगह, सब जगह, और इस बॉडी की वजह से ही मैं सब कुछ अनुभव कर सका.
करेक्ट.
तो उसके लिए जो ग्रेटिट्यूड है, और इसी के वजह से ये सब पॉसिबल है.
करेक्ट. करेक्ट.
मैं अपने आप सामने, अपने बॉडी के सामने नतमस्तक वक्त,
करेक्ट,
करोड़ बार बाउ डाउन, और इतना कभी अपने लिए मुझे ग्रेटिट्यूड बोला, खुद के लिए रिस्पेक्ट, सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट भी इतना कभी मन में पैदा नहीं हुआ.
ब्यूटीफुल, 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 वेरी नाइस.
रिस्पेक्ट, अपने लिए रिस्पेक्ट भी पैदा नहीं हुआ. वो जो अपने आप को कोसने वाला मन था, ऐसा लग रहा था कि इतनी चीजें हैं मेरे पास और इतना सब कुछ चल रहा है, मेरे पास कोई चीज की कमी नहीं है. मैं अपने आप में जो एक, जिसकी डिविनिटी बोलते ना, डिविनिटी उस लेवल पे देख रहे थे, आज बॉडी के लेवल पे भी डिविनिटी.
एग्जैक्टली. ब्यूटीफुल, ब्यूटीफुल, वंडरफुल.
बहुत ही अच्छा जर्नी. कहाँ से लाते आप पता नहीं. थैंक यू.
वेलकम. ब्यूटीफुल, ब्यूटीफुल, ब्यूटीफुल. मेरा यही था कि हम ये जो अद्वैता का ज्ञान है, we are always turning away from the body and going towards the infinite, going towards consciousness, going towards awareness. लेकिन मुझे ये, हाँ,
all the time secondary समझते body.
हाँ, all the time secondary समझते. तो just because we are turning towards awareness does not mean we lose our embrace with our self, with our body, with our life. So that's what I wanted to make sure we are not making that error of shunning the body, shunning this life. Just because we are turning towards awareness doesn't mean this is not equally marvelous and equally lovable and great. So we also went beyond the body, the whole role of you. It is not just the body, your thoughts, your feelings, your ups and your downs, your sorrows, your struggles. तो उसके बारे में कोई और बता सकता है? What was your thoughts or experience about that? Seeing this role, not just this body, but this role called Avinash, this role called Jayashree. ये रोल को देख के क्या अनुभव हुआ? Anyone? हाँ, प्रतिभा बेन. Unmute.
So I have never considered my, or I never love my body. Now today I understand what is the important thing they have done. As I have not to pay anything to my body, so I neglect it, but it is a precious gift from God.
Yes, marvelous. Yes,
miraculous.
That's, correct.
Because I have neglected, without paying, I am getting it. So उसका value मेरे को अब भी ख्याल आया, और thankful to God for giving me such a nice body.
Wonderful.
With all the facilities.
All the facilities. Correct. Or very good.
Active part or understanding mind.
Beautiful.
So I am too much grateful to God. Thank you.
Wonderful. हाँ, so anyone else about the role, about this किरदार की जो बात कर रहे हैं, उसको देख के, उसकी लाइफ को देख के, उसके स्ट्रगल्स, उसके विचार, उसका ज्ञान, उसके ups and downs, वो देख के क्या अनुभव हुआ? What do you feel about the character called Milind? Milind, go ahead, share. What do you think about this character called Milind, which has been playing this role of Milind since birth? उसके बारे में, उसकी तरफ आपको क्या अनुभव हुआ?
बस एक जय गुरुदेव, बस एक अच्छा लगा कि अरे वाह, ये बहुत अच्छे रहा है. I enjoyed the game, I enjoyed the play. Lot of ups and downs, everything is moving, and this character, Chinese ultimately my creation only, but making it so real, that every bit of is with so much of juices, so much of things that so it's a beautiful and grandiose creation itself.
Correct.
And still it's not real, and I have the power to change it as and when I want.
Right.
The way I want to move it, the way I want to make it.
Correct.
I can lose some strings, I can pattern some strings.
Correct.
I can just make it the way I want to
make it. Beautiful. Very nice.
And at the same time, body is there, which is actually a master one way.
Yeah.
But which is also a slave another way.
Correct.
And not even master, not even slave also. It's just the way it is.
Yeah.
And just enjoying the game.
It is your companion. Yeah. It is your partner.
Yeah.
Your partner in this dance.
Yes.
Called
Partner
life.
in my dance. Rather I will say it is like my guru.
Yeah.
Always with me.
Correct.
Because the body itself is itself is the one thing which always remains in present moment, in spite of whatever my thought goes might be there and there, but body will be always living the present moment. Irrespective of my thought process or anything else.
Right. Although, very good. Although I would say that even the thought is only in the present moment. There is nothing but the present moment, ultimately. Even if you're thinking about the past, you are thinking in the present moment. Okay?
Yes. True.
In the here and now. There is great. Anyone else? Sonal ji, you want to share what you wrote? Felt like respecting myself for the tragedies that I have gone through. Love myself. Yeah. How many of you felt that that this role is lovable, this person is lovable. कितने लोगों को अनुभव हुआ this is the lovable character called
Nice.
whatever your name is. I am a lovable character because I have done exactly as per what was the right thing to do in that moment, given whatever was.
इसके साथ दूसरा और एक फीलिंग आया,
हाँ,
वो फॉरगिवनेस का, कि जो भी हुआ वो ह्यूमन था, गलत हुआ, कुछ हुआ, जिसका बोझा
Correct.
था मन पे कि ये नहीं करना चाहिए था, ये नहीं, ये
Yeah.
कैसे किया, वो भी
Yeah.
उससे भी, वो बोझे से भी छूट गए, एकदम
बोझे से
रिलैक्स
भी
लग
छूट
रहा
गए.
है,
Yeah,
उसको से एकदम रिलैक्स लग रहा है बिल्कुल.
correct, correct, because you can forgive yourself. Because
Yeah, I think-
ultimately this role is only a human role. You are not playing a divine role. You are divine yourself, but the role you are playing is a human role. Human role में सारी गलतियां है, weaknesses है, strengths है. Everything is part of this whole beautiful किरदार जो हमने बनाया है. और वो किरदार ने हमेशा जो सही था वो सीन में वैसा ही किया है. So we can let go of and forgive and love this life that we are having. Rajesh ji boliye.
Same is my feeling. I mean, Purushottam ji,
Yeah.
what he shared, no?
Yeah,
That
yeah,
I started feeling relaxed. जो भी वो moment में हुआ, वो that was perfect at that moment.
exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly.
that is relaxing. Yeah.
That is relaxing. Exactly. We need not beat ourselves over the head कि अरे मैंने ये क्या किया था, कैसे किया था. अरे वो सही था, उस वक्त के लिए वही था.
सर ये मूवी रिवाइंड करने का पर्पस
आप बोलो. ये सब
नहीं।
जो बोल रहे हैं वो ही पर्पस है. हुए जो
नहीं।
रियलाइजेशन हुए, जो निकल रहा है मुंह से, ग्रैटिट्यूड, लव फॉर माई सेल्फ, फॉरगिव माई सेल्फ, ये मैं ऐसे ही बोल देता. प्लीज लव योर सेल्फ करते आप, अनुभव होता उसका. मैं
नहीं,
बोलता
बहुत बार
प्लीज.
किया,
हाँ
बहुत
हाँ,
बार ये
बहुत बार
practical
किया
भी,
है, किया
लेकिन
भी है, नहीं
depth
होता है.
थी, ये इतना रियलाइजेशन, इतनी डेप्थ नहीं थी कभी.
Exactly. By just saying to yourself, I love myself 500 times, nothing will happen. So that is the
एहसास होना
purpose.
मांगता है.
एहसास होना मांगता है.
हाँ.
एहसास, और एहसास रियलाइजेशन से होता है. रियलाइजेशन एक्सपीरियंस से होता है. होगा
और
जब
तभी
तक,
आर्ट से सब निकलता है.
हाँ, जब तक आप अपने आप को बारीकी से, करीब से देखेंगे, तभी ये सब पता चलेगा.
पास्ट में जाने का और वापस रिवाइंड करके वापस प्रेजेंट में आ जाने का.
नहीं, देयर इज नो फॉर्मूला लाइक दैट. मैं फ्यूचर में भी जा सकता हूँ चाहिए तो. सब
मैं
चीज
तो
के
फ्यूचर
फॉर्मूला.
में जाऊंगी तो मेरे को ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा. आई डोंट वांट टू गो टू फ्यूचर.
वो तो सबको ही आता है.
वो तो हम सबका
नहीं
वही है.
नहीं, आई एम वेरी नियर टू द टॉप ऑफ द
Top of the
माउंटेन.
top of the mountain, but the view is the best.
Because I am now running 79. That's why I
Yeah.
say
Yeah,
I
yeah,
don't
no,
want to go in future.
right. No,
Pratibha,
but
when
point.
I admire your sense of humor.
Yeah, she has a lot of laughter. So you understood the purpose of going in the past?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, good. Great. Nilima ji, anything to share? Or anyone else?
Nothing specially, but the experience is amazing, basically, and feeling very different, calm. Just
Right.
Whatever the guilt is there, that already vanished.
Right.
Yeah.
Forgiving ourselves. See,
Yes,
and
forgiving
look at the background of this. ये जो किरदार है, रोल है, उसका background हमेशा, this awareness has always been the background of all experience.
Yes.
It has always been love. It has always been compassion. It has always been joy. That background is always there. Whether the content was sad or happy or struggling or enjoying or celebrating or winning or losing, the context or the background in which all of this has happened has always been love, has always been joyfulness. का स्क्रीन जो रहा है, जो कैनवस उसका रहा है, वो कैनवस has always been this divine qualities. So now we can have compassion for ourselves, compassion
Yeah.
for yourself, for being human. We are human. This body, this entity is
आज वो
human.
फील हुआ, आज वो फील
Yeah.
हुआ, इतने सब अप डाउन में भी ये सब तो कर रहा हूँ मैं, और उसके बाद भी इतनी अच्छी जिंदगी जी रहा हूँ, तो अपने आप के लिए कंपैशन भी फील हुआ.
Correct. Has each one of us not had struggles in our life? Is there anyone who has not had struggle? कोई है क्या? नहीं है. There is nothing like that. Nobody like. So these struggles are very much part of what makes us human. And वो struggle को देख के, जैसे हमें कोई किरदार को देख के स्क्रीन पे मूवी में रोना क्यों आता है, compassion या feeling क्यों आता है? Because we see their struggle, we see their what what they are going through. And when you look at your own life, you have also gone through so many of those things. So just as we can celebrate Amitabh Bachchan or cry along with Amir Khan, we can have spectrum of understanding love and feelings for our own movie called Our Life, which is much more intimate, much more deeper, and much more broader, bigger than any movie that we have ever seen. So great, wonderful.
So Sanjeev, we have to do every day your Karunasan to hug ourselves.
To hug yourself, yeah. Which one? Which asan? Karunasan.
No, Corona. You said
Hug.
no Karunasan.
Which Karuna?
Yeah.
नहीं, that was Alingasan.
मतलब कोरोना में बीचे तो कहीं जवाय नहीं सत्संग.
हाँ, खुद को
એટલે આપણી
आलिंगासन.
સાથે જ સત્સંગ કરવાનો.
करेक्ट. आलिंगासन. चलो तो एक आलिंगासन कर लेते हैं before we.
नहीं, और આપણે બીજે તો કોઈને હગ ના કરીએ. Yourself.
I know. So hug yourself, and in that hug include everyone who is present here today, and include the entire planet, all the living creatures, all the life forms everywhere in the universe. Sabko paas mein late hue, bring them all close to you, and give this whole universe, this big world, this divine life that you are living, a big tight hug. And hug yourself. You are worthy of
I
love.
love you. I love you. I love
I
you.
love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. All of you, all of me, all of you, all of this life. I'm worthy of being loved and feeling loved. Thank you. Om Shanti Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Tat Sat.
Sir, a request, Guruji, please, can you please send today's this video recording link?
Yes, we will. Avinash, just stay on this call.
Yes, we will. Yeah, we will stay back
a little bit.
Yes, sure.
Okay, great. And okay, thank you all.
Thank you.